The only other thing, getting back to the data
Yes.
release, um, I really do feel strongly about data release. There definitely can be reasons for privacy issues. You know, a lot of European colleagues are struggling with the new GDPR law,
Yes.
and the impact that it is having on their even ability to ship samples. You know, the lawyers at their institutions are playing very conservatively with it, and it's causing some difficulties in some of their research. But you know, it's the law; it needs to be taken into account. That being said, if you can publish your RNA-seq data set, I think there is absolutely no reason you cannot publish your CyTOF data set. Privacy would seem to apply to both. And I showed again about a year ago that of the papers that do both assays, more than 50% of them only publish the RNA-seq because that's the only one that's required. And some people argue about, oh, you know, I'm not done analyzing the CyTOF data. Well, you're probably not done analyzing the RNA-seq either. And you're still able to publish it, or we're still being required to publish it. I think that especially if we're ever going to be moving toward a sort of discovery of different cell types in different diseases, like Antonio Cosma and Jonathan Irish in particular with his MEM algorithm, wanting to build giant databases of cell types that are found so that you can search them and say, maybe I'm studying disease A, but a lot is studying disease B, and we're finding a similar phenotype in our cases. Maybe they're related. We're never going to get there if the data isn't released. And I think that that's a goal that we all need to be working toward.
That's beautiful. And earlier in the conversation, you used algorithm development and result validation as arguments for data sharing. And I think that what you said now is a much more powerful argument. Like, if we want to promote science, then we're going to need this.
And I'm a big science nerd and science geek. I like science. I want to advance science. That's one of the reasons I work in an academic institution, is that I do have that sort of blue sky. I want to push the boundaries of science. And I think data sharing nowadays is one of the best ways to do it.